So I had some issues here with my tail lights. So every time I stepped on the brake, the reverse lights would come on. And there was some trailer wiring down by the license plate. It looked like spaghetti down there. But anyway, so I unraveled it, and then it was really screwed up after I touched it. So like when I put the left blinker on, the reverse lights would blink. So I pulled it all out down there, and it looks like whoever messed with it didn't really know what they were doing. So they they spliced the reverse wires in to the brake lights. So I straightened all that out, and I wired up a new trailer plug, and now all the lighting works perfectly. So got that all handled. So we just keep moving on here. She cut off in the car wash, and if I bet my life it's that IAC valve again, sucker. So yeah, the one tool that I need I don't have with me, so my wife's bringing that. So I did have another light on it, and I cleared the light. I wonder if it was having issues. So I guess you got to keep gambling here until you get a good part, because of the Chinese parts. So I'm figuring the plunger is probably sticking all the way out, and that's why she won't start. So I'm gonna take this apart and push it back in, and then it looks like I'll be changing this again today. So, but other than that, she's been running good, but this idle problem just will not go away. So, but from what I've gathered, these IACs, I mean, they're just not just them, it's just parts in general. The aftermarket parts are crap, so sometimes you got to go through a few of them till you get a good one. It's easy enough to fix, so hopefully this solves my problem. So we'll see what we can do when the wife gets here. Luckily I'm only down the street. Alright, installed the third IAC valve. She's running great again. When I pulled the old one out, it was pushed all the way out. Spring was showing. So I don't know what the secret is here, but O'Reilly's exchanged it, no prob. Installed, cleared the light out. So now I'm getting a little pool time. Pulled up in here, and she got stuck in the sugar sand. And August Strum's van stuck. I'm gonna have to get some fucking pushing going on here.
Got some weight in the back of her now, so we'll see.